Hello students, welcome back to the virtual class. Today we are taking up with the problems on proportion. So we are dealing with the simple sums as well as the problems on direct as well indirect proportions. First we'll focus on the simple sums based on the concept. So let us start the session. The first question is find the fourth proportional to 10, 20 and 30. I told you if they're asking you to find the fourth proportion, third proportion, mean proportion, how exactly you have to calculate in the theory part clearly, right? So here if it is a fourth proportion, we are assuming the elements as A, B, C, D and C, D, right? So here they are asking us to fourth proportion. Fourth proportion means D, that is we have to find out. So given information is A is 10, B is 20 and C is 30. And fourth proportion we don't know, that's why I assume it as X. Okay, so this is solved based on the rule of product of extreme is equal to product of mean. Okay, so here this is the product of extreme and this is product of mean. So 10x is equal to 20 into 30. X is equal to 20 into 30 by 10. So you're getting 60. So 60 is the fourth proportion. Fourth proportion is 60. So this is how you have to calculate if they are asking you about finding out the fourth proportions. Then the next question is finding the third proportion to 4 and 8. See, if it is a third proportion and the given information is of only 2, then we are considering the A, B, C only. Okay, so here they are asking us to find out the third proportion. This is continued proportion. Okay, so A value is 4, B value is 8, third proportion means C, that we don't know, assume it as X. See, this is based on calculation of rule 3. Rule 3 I have explained, right? So I am taking it as B square is equal to AC. So B is 8 square, A is 4, C is X. So 8 square is 64, 4x, X is 64 by 8, by 4. You are getting X as 16. So 16 is the third proportion. So third proportion is 16. So this is how you have to calculate if they are asking to find the third and fourth proportion. This kind of sums will be asked for 2 marks in your examination. So let us move on to the next kind of sums, that is problems on direct proportion. See, problems on direct proportion, here identifying whether the sum is based on direct or indirect proportion is very important. Okay, I told you if there is any increase in the value of one item will leads to increase of other also. There is any decrease will leads to decrease. So such kind of proportions will be termed as a direct proportion. So in this question they are asking us to find, and see, look at the question. If a man earned rupees 1500 per week, how many weeks must be worked to earn 9000? See, if he is working more weeks, he can able to earn more money, right? So increase of one leads to increase of the other element also. So that's why this is based on direct proportion. So here man is earning 1500 in a week, and how many weeks he has to work to get 900. So here we are writing the information. So let the week to be worked to earn 9000 is X. We are assuming this as X. Okay, so here we are considering two ratios, earning ratio and earning ratio. How much he is earning? 1500 in the 1 week and 9000 for how many weeks we don't know. This is earning ratio. Then we are taking time ratio also. Time ratio is how many weeks he is working. So 1 week he is working to earn 1500 and X week he has to work to earn 9000. So here the ratio is 1:X. The direct proportion means we are considering the ratios as it is. So 1900 is to 9000 is to 1:X. So product of extreme, product of mean. So you're getting 1500x is equal to 9000. X is equal to 9000 by 1500. X value is 6. So 6 weeks he has to work to earn 9000 rupees. So this is how you have to calculate. Let us take up the next question. Here look at the question. 5 carpenter can earn rupees 3600 in 6 days working 9 hours a day. How much will 8 carpenter can earn in 12 days working 6 hours a day? Okay, so here they have given a relationship between work and earnings. So we have to this question is explaining the relationship between work as well as earning. So let us assume, let required earning Vx. Okay, how much is he has to work to earn. So required earning, if he is working 8 carpenter 12 days 6 hours a day. Okay, so here also we are making segregation of work ratio as well as earning ratio. Okay, work ratio, here they have given more 3 elements, all that will be considered here. Work ratio includes how many carpenters were working into how many days they are working and how many hours they are working. Okay, and this is 8 carpenters 12 days 6 hours. So you are getting 270 as to 576. So earning ratio, he can able to earn 3600 for with 5 carpenters 6 days and 9 hours, and for 8 carpenters 12 hours 6 days. How much we don't know, assume that as x. So as it is a direct proportion, we are taking the informations as it is. Okay, 270 is to 576 is to 3600 is to x. Extreme, mean. So 270x is equal to 576 into 3600. X is equal to 576 into 3600 by 270. So you are getting x as 7680. So that means he can able to earn 7680 rupees working with 8 carpenters 12 days and 9 hours a day. So this is how you have to calculate when it comes to direct proportions. Finding out whether it is a direct or indirect proportion is very important to solve the sum.